2, 1, ignition, engines full power, and liftoff of Transporter 7. Go Falcon, go Transporter.
Liftoff at the Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. This rocket's payload includes Turkey's first indigenous high-resolution satellite called IMECE. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has called it a historic moment.
Our engineers have been working day and night for many years. I send my sincere thanks and congratulations to all who worked on this project from designing to launching. We are reaping the fruits of the plans to bring our country to the top in the Global Technology League one by one. We see investing in space and aviation technologies as an indispensable strategic priority.
IMECE will orbit the Earth at an altitude of 680 kilometers. Turkey's Scientific and Technological Research Council, TÜBİTAK, says the satellite has a mission span of 5 years, during which it will capture images from across the world.
Sending satellites is possible if you have the budget. But unless you produce the components of the satellite yourself, the satellite doesn't belong to you. We have produced the most critical components of this satellite: the electro-optical camera that provides high resolution, the flight computer software that we call its brain, and our orbital management control system.
Among others, it will cater to disaster management, environment, agriculture, and defense sectors. This TÜBİTAK Space Research Center showcases a timeline showing all the satellites that Turkey has sent into space so far. It's giving information such as their payload, the launch date, and so forth and so on. And here's the latest satellite that has been launched into space. Right next to it is Turksat 6A. This will be the next satellite that Turkey plans to send into space over the coming months. But the ambitions don't end here. Officials here tell us that moon landing is also on the agenda. Hassan Abdullah, TRT World, Ankara.